Alright, Tyler, where are we heading?
Lake Eppalock.
Lake Eppalock. We've arrived at the Sibleys, who is towing my homemade camper, Kiara. Kiara's Taj Mahal for the week. And everyone else on the rooftops. Got the Sibleys ready to go.
Hello. Gonna be okay?
Well, we made it in one piece, Kiara. Yeah? Tyler, we've made it.
We made it in 3 or 2.
You know the jet ski's not in the water yet, don't you? Like,
Yeah.
you can't actually do anything yet.
Yeah.
Alright, still no Razor and Loz and the kids. But we've got our site here.
Surely let me get out.
No, let's go see where we're staying first. We're going to be here for a week,
good.
relax.
I'm good.
Here's the Sibleys. They made it. Hey mate, what happened to your gazebo? Did it come off, did it? Come off. Oh no. Are you already getting a beer, mate? It's bloody 11:47 in the morning. Oh shit, I've done it too. It's this weird thing that just happens. You just gotta grab one when you get here. Hey Ram, you excited? You gonna go on the bouncy? Hell yeah.
Hey?
Hey. Alright, we've got camp set up, everyone's here. The only one not set up is me, because we're going to go down to the lake. Kids have a swim. Loz is going to get her bikini on. And go down there for the afternoon, which should be good. But this is us. Pretty happy with the setup. Very happy. Alright, let's roll. How's the pool, Rem?
Good.
Good.
Couple of minutes, kids. Loz will be here.
Lauren's on her way. Hey Rem,
Yeah.
I'm filming. I need to see you go to a cannonball in that pool.
Okay. It's easy.
Nice, Rem. I like it. Right, so it's night 1, and Lauren there caught a carp. Mackie is cooked the carp, and I'm not all that keen on it. But we're gonna have a go, Ray.
Yeah,
Max is tucked in, and he gives it the tick.
I'm having some.
I'm feeling it. Something?
Parker wants a taste.
Not just yet. I can still stay. I want to taste it.
No, I have no problem with that.
How's it taste?
Yeah, it's,
Like fish?
yeah.
Michael doesn't look like he gives too many shits. He's just straight into it.
Yeah. I didn't even do anything wrong. This ain't mud.
Oh god damn it! I'm gonna have a go.
Don't be a pussy.
You're not gonna die for
It's actually this. Oh my god, she's such a pussy.
Hurry up. He's on film.
You know what? If I'm stranded on an island, I'll eat that, no problem. That's actually
More. Go for a big boy.
That's actually pretty good. Oh, that's a big bite. Nah, get into it, Loz. Straight in the gob.
It's not that bad.
Parker's getting into it. Gonna have a bit of a crack.
I got the smallest piece out.
Yeah, give it a go. Alright, day 2. Razor's on the brekkie. Went out for a fish. And Loz and I got 10 redfin, but they're all like that big. You grab us 2 5-amp-hour batteries, right? From the...
We are cutting wood, and it's very boring. I don't want to do this.
Taco night. Taco night looks like a bit of a hit, Ram. Doesn't it?
Get in there.
Thanks, Razor. Thanks, Razor.
Thanks, Razor.
again. That's probably why we fight, but I ignore it. Separating all the lies to see if we could vibe. I'll be waiting outside, saying, baby, we'll be friends. Not much more I must say. You're so busy through the day. I know that you wanna stay. You just wanna work and play. There's not much more I must say. You're so busy through the day. I know that you wanna stay. You just wanna work and play.
I'll try and get the hook out of it. He's not going to like it.
It's a turtle. It's running away.
Big fella. Now. Yeah, just be careful. There's fishing line on the ground. It's not peeing, it's water. Oh, he is. That's legit taking a leak. So who caught the turtle?
Me.
Why didn't you catch it?
So she was just looking at her phone. It was going like that.
Oh, well, fair enough.
No, I said I'll do.
If you're looking at your phone.
And you just look at it.
What do you reckon, Rem? Is that a cool turtle? I reckon photo. Does anyone want to hold it?
Me.
You want to hold it, Rem?
Yeah.
Hold it with the shell.
That's very heavy.
It's heavy. Hold it.
I'll pet it.
I've never seen like dolphins.
Yeah, yeah.
Just be careful of that line on the ground, guys.
Bye bye.
Ah, big turtle. That would
I can't believe that.
have made a hell of a Dorito bowl.
That's a very good story.
What do we got?
Another turtle.
Another turtle.
Yay. Probably the same turtle.
Day 3, and we've fired up the Wii Nintendo Switch.
Yeah,
And look at that, first and second online.
yeah, because you've been on
Dad
it for 20
and Tyler.
years.
No, but it's good. Me and you, 1 and 2, mate. Stop it. Yeah. Oh, Rem. Yeah. Your first go, you get the strike. I was about to call you Kiara then too. Well done. We're watching Lake Eppalock video from 5 years ago. The razor birds. Yeah, there it is.
I can't land it.
That wasn't the reaction I was going for.
That was a boring reaction.
Well, the most important part about camping, Tyler, is good nutrition. So, straight into Brady's Tavern. Oh, what do we got here? Old Max has put up a bit of a spread for us. What do you reckon? Alrighty, Wednesday night. New location. Fresh bait. Hopefully we can get something other than a bloody turtle.
Chasing time, all new places, different faces, change my mind. Money wasting, Uber chasing, wait.
Yeah.
It's good fish.
Disappear, just come in.
Just walk backwards a bit. Yeah, it's another carp, but walk backwards.
That's the way, everyone.
Walk backwards, just slowly. Take your time.
There you go.
Grab the.
Yes!
Well, it's bigger than my carp. Not quite as big as Max's, but
Oh, alright.
What about his other fish he caught?
Kiara, you got a bloody turtle.
I fucking got a little turtle. You
It's the world's smallest turtle. Right, boy, keen for a jaffle.
Yeah.
Got the jaffle station. Fire's warming up, jaffle iron's warming up, and I'll make you one. So what do you want? Spaghetti. Look at what else is up here. Like Max has got quite a bit of stuff.
Okay,
Ham.
on the outside of the bread, salami, and then spaghetti on the inside.
So salami and spaghetti and cheese.
Yes.
Sounds pretty good. Alrighty, beef cheek stew time. Oh. That's dirty. Alright, let's try this one. Not hot enough. Got my wash your sister sauce, stock. What else? Alright, that is about where we want the cow faces. Now to load this in. Oh shit. So the kids decided to take on a few people in a water bomb fight. They don't understand. We got Parker on our side, who's got probably the best arm you've ever seen. They're all retreating. Oh, oh how good is that? Good old water fight with another group of campers. It's good, isn't it?
Are you going lately? Losing ocean, where's the line? Kill the vibe. Always stressing, always texting, bad design. No complaining's overrated, but I need to say shit. I've been still for ages, stuck in time. All that I know is I'm fine. I wanna make something from nothing, or something. Lately I've been wasting time. All that I do is pretend that I'm making mine, but all that I'm making is friends. Make ways, swerving round potholes, change lanes, speed and lose control. Blank face, what would I know? So I'm praying that the world is mine, and slowly I'm moving ahead. Missing flights, the platinum lounge won't let me in, my card declined, and I know I get caught up.
They even got shields. These two are cheating.
We're using our resources.
I'll let you take it up to 15. Let's just cruise. Keep following the very faint looking road. And then if you can't sort of see where you're going or what's ahead of you, slow right down using the brake. Left. Slow. Slow. Alright, now brake. Now accelerator. Only the accelerator, but just slow.
Accelerator, brake, accelerator, brake.
Yeah, you got to balance it. Right? Give it a little bit, but only that much. That's it. Slower. Give it a bit more now. Dude, nailed it. Nice little sandy bit here, and then we'll go left.
What the hell?
Quite hard left.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Squeeze the button. Job done. Turn the engine off. Give me some. Good girl.
Been thinking, wait, where are you going lately? Losing ocean, where's the line? All that I know is I'm fine.
So that game was a brand new game created by Remy, didn't ya? How do we play it, Rem?
You pass it to someone, like
Yep.
this, and then someone says stop,
Yep.
and then if they move, then they're out.
So when you say stop, you got to catch the ball and just not move.
Yeah.
So you might notice here Ray adding some seasoning. Don't know if you've watched the video all the way to this point, but I've been making this. Now all of a sudden old matey's like, oh, I'm going to put this in.
First time.
No, it's looking good. We've got it directly on the coals now. I'm trying to reduce it a bit because it needs a fair bit of reducing. Because at this point it's a soup, not a stew. So, the end result. Get a zoom into that, Tyler. That's a beef cheek. That's a spoon. Look at that.
Crusty spoons.
Oh. If that isn't good, I don't know what is.
That don't sit right with me at all. Makes me wonder, why do it all? There's a reason that didn't show. A first appraisal, a second go. Got you cornered and you're on damn home. Oh, your knees.
Move back, move back. It almost went down.
Just do that attack. Do that attack.
I have no idea, mate.
He's in it.
Alright, let's see how Razor goes backing in my little trailer that you can't see. It's harder than it looks, that little trailer. Alright, last night, Tyler, isn't it? Last night at Eppalock.
Yeah.
Spewing, or are you keen to go home?
Oh,
That little in the middle? I understand that. I wouldn't mind another 3 or 4 days. But I also would like to get home to Mum. Same as you guys. Get home, see Mum, and have a nice shower, sleep in your own bed. Yeah, I'm pretty keen. What was dinner tonight? Dad made some camp cooking again. What was it?
pizza.
McCain's microwave pizzas in the little dodgy oven on the camper. Turn it back to straight. Alright. We'll go a bit more, right? Doing well, Ram. Bounce over this bump. Oh, oh, you're doing burnouts. Dunk. And dunk. Oh, I've been told I don't have to drive tonight. It's fantastic. Who's driving then? Are you driving?
I'm just a random dude.
What? Are you old enough to drive?
My name is Jeff.
Well, I'll take your word for it. Got the kids in the back.
I'm scared.
Really? No.
Hi. Where are we going?
We're going to the same spot and we're going to play the game.
The game. Yay. No, we need a new name because that.
Oh, sorry. No, it is. Rem's got the name. I just can't remember it. Where are you going?
Just get lost.
Oh, did you forget to pick her up from the toilet?
I thought when I sent you a thing, I thought you said, I can get her.
No.
She wants to come with me.
No, that's Rem.
I said, I'm going to go pick up Loz. And I thought, like, when it comes through, he's like, I'll pick her up. And then I got this random call from somebody. I just left it. I thought, oh, just called me this time. And then they called me again, like 30 seconds later. I was like, oh. He goes, it's me. I'm still in the toilet.
Go get her.
We're back.
Alright, but dude, so gently off the brake. And gently onto the accelerator. And that's it, let's go. Saying about Parker, what was he wearing?
Parker was wearing my high heel Crocs and he did this down the hill. And he rolled his ankle.
And then he rolled his ankle. He didn't hurt himself though, did he?
No.
So that's good.
Oh, get up. Get up, big boy.
Get up here, you watch. Hoi, hoi, hoi.
Hoi, hoi, hoi.
So tonight the kids had their McCain's pizzas and I'm getting the old Osprey going, bit of charcoal, and Zora and Loz threading the chicken on the sticks, pre-soaked in water.
Obviously, I'm doing the better
Because
job.
a professional would set it up so they're pre-soaked, marinated, ready to go. Loz's are sort of falling off and they haven't even started to cook yet.
Maybe cutting them in the same size would be helpful.
Bill. Nice. Alright, we're almost there. Getting things packed up. To go home. Happy to go home or sad to go home? Kinda happy, kinda sad. Bit of both. What about you?
Happy to go home.
Oh, you're over it. That's fair. It's been a long time. Oh, I'm not so happy. Oh, I'm a bit of both as well.